Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 5906. This ran from the 10th 2012 to 07-2017. Has a 4N14 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4N14 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Here we have the left front factory 6-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear tyre, 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light, factory tow bar, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, right rear door, no dents, right front guard, no dents, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, right front mirror, right front door trim, master switch, centre console, auto shifter, AC controls, factory sat nav touchscreen stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy light, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster. This is Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 5906.